Good day guys, this is Hassan and welcome to Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this video we will draw another shape of Autocad practice series for the beginner students. So let's start the video. And before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. And friends, we have this shape and we are going to draw this in Autocad. First we draw this outer circle which have the diameter of 100 units. Now we draw these lines 60 units, 30 units on both sides. Now we have this offset 36 units, which means 18 units on up and down both sides. Now we have this offset 18 units, like this. Now we draw this circle which has the diameter of 6 units. Type C for circle and give the diameter 6 units. Select it and copy it and paste it. Now we make this circle which have the diameter of 10 units. Select and make a copy and paste here. Now we make this shape. The first circle has the diameter of 20 units. Now we draw these two circles and this circle has the offset of 18 units on upside and 18 units downside, which means total 36 units. So select and copy. Now we draw this circle which have the radius of 24 units and the base point of this circle is 18 unit distance. The radius is 24 units. And click on no. Now we draw a line like this and make this circle 18 units. Radius is 18 units. like this and trim it. So guys, in this way we make this shape like this. And guys, I hope you like this video. Guys, if you have any question related to this video, please leave a comment, or you can also contact me on WhatsApp. And guys, take care yourself and see you soon in the next video.